#1 top shotter, not in the studio, this not a movie, yo.
Allah, Allah, Allah. Risk takers.
First off, let me tell you something for any nigga disrespecting me. Any nigga in general. Boy, don't you know I'm fucking crazy? I get creative, I get you ratchet with that ratchet. Don't get your bag hit, get your mama and your dad hit. I'm really active, don't even have to say I'm savage. You better ask, bitch. Yeah, that's right, you better ask, bitch. You niggas see through like some glass, bitch. Shit, this you niggas in my ad-libs. I'm really that bitch, and if you really gotta ask, bitch, I'm with a bad bitch, another bad bitch. Mad shit, mad shit. Yeah, you niggas really mad shit, mad shit. I match you in your mad shit, mad shit. Man, I hit you in your pelvic, and you gon' tell it. You niggas really rap the rat shit. I know you really wanna rap, bitch. But if you really wanna rap, bitch, and then if that, and then if it's savage, and this and that, bitch, and then it grab it. I boom like in the gaga. I tell a nigga what it is, yo, and what it is, yo, and I ain't gonna bring no kids in the biz, yo, and it is, yo. You niggas fit it how you live, yo. I gotta lock up in the bound, know I'm finna ride, though, and all my niggas gonna ride, though, y'all gonna die, though, I'm gonna take you off the earth, though. You better not come up on my turf, though. What really makes it really worse, though, you niggas hurt, I put you in that fucking hearse, though, and fly like dirt, though. Allah, 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 Allah.
Risk takers. Allah, Allah. Adonis Society stand up. TRMBG, they know the G. Allah.